Hey teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to do DIY paper bag stars, and that's in recognition of May 25th, National Brown Baggot Day. So we have hole punch, glue, string, scissors, and brown lunch bags. So what you do is you take the lunch bags and you're going to layer them. I layered 16 of them with glue. So each time you layer one, you need to put glue in between. Let that dry. Then you're going to take your bags and cut the top part, the sides, cut the sides off, and then on the sides down here, cut a little triangle in there. And then you take it and unfold it, and it makes a star. So there you have it. I'll see you next time.